Hello everyone, look at what I have. I have new large box of new products from Dior and we are unboxing it together. Yay! So let's start out with one thing I really needed, and that is a new bronzer. This is the Dior Forever Nude Bronzer. Nude Bronze is the shade and it looks so nice, don't you think so? I think it's a good color for me. Let's see if we can get anything out of it. Hope you can see it. It's this color right here. So that's a bronzer. I couldn't resist this one. It's the Dior Backstage Rosy Glow. And this is pink lilac. A blush, of course. And it's so beautiful. I love this color. And I can't wait to use it. You know, I love my blushes. So that's definitely going to be used a lot. So I have it right here. This is it. I bought a new lipstick. I don't remember the name of it, but I will put it up here. So that's the color. And then the brand new blushes. Yes, I love my blushes. So here it is. This is in the color Rosewood. Let me just make a swatch for you. There it is. Look at that. And it's shiny and nice. And then I also bought a new mascara. This is the Diorshow Overvolume. Excited to try it. Actually, I have tried it. I have to admit. I tried it and it's really good. And together with that, I also bought the Lash primer from Dior. The primer is just white fluid and it goes on your lashes before the mascara. So these two together, great, great, great. Great products. A full face of Dior coming up pretty soon. Next one is this Dior Backstage eye palette. It's called the Warm Essentials. And it is nice. So from this palette we have Satin Ivory. We have Satin Peach Gold. And we have Matte Warm Tan, which is this one. Next row we have Shimmer Tangerine. We have Shimmer Poppy Coral. And we have Matte Brick Orange. In the last row we have Shimmer Warm Bronze, Matte Redwood, and Matte Dark Brown. So this is how they look like. Dior has just released their fall collection and I just bought this with Miss Dior, and it's an eyeshadow palette. It's called Wild Beige. So that's it. That's the Wild Beige. This is Swatch. And you can choose to have it in this small Miss Dior bag. Then we have more Dior Backstage. These are actually the Dior Backstage Glow Face palette in rose gold. So nice little packaging and beautiful highlights. This one is a metallic pink gold. Then we have the sheer gold pearl. Then we have Metallic Golden Peach and Summer Rose. Beautiful. I had actually decided for myself that I didn't want this one. I thought it was really expensive, but I did buy it. It's a lip gloss with the Dior logo, but actually it is quite good. But do I think it's that good and worth it? Maybe not. But I bought it so you don't have to, or maybe you want to. Here is a swatch for the Dior Lip Glow Butter. And this is in shade Lychee. Look out for my all-face Dior makeup. Then I bought the Floral Lip Care Longwear lipstick. This one. And this is in the shade Rouge Dior number 720. Another Miss Dior that I like for my Dior Addict lipsticks. So it's a lipstick case with Miss Dior in red. I really think it's kind of fun. I know some of you don't like it, but I kind of like it. Then we have a liquid matte lipstick, and they promise that it is transfer proof. It's this one. Let me swatch it for you. So it's this one. That's the shade. Forever Grace, number 558. Then I also bought another mascara because I needed mascara that will help with my curl. So I bought this Diorshow Iconic Overcurl. It's number 090 in black. And the wand looks like this. And almost the final one is the Forever Glow Veil. It's a 24-hour hydrating radiant primer. So it's a primer from Dior. Can't wait to try it out. It's white and it's yeah, glides easily on. A faint scent to it, but nothing unpleasant. And yeah, it has a little grip also. And as always, as you order from Dior directly, they always send a lot of tests and gifts. And I got some perfumes that I'm testing out. Then I also got this one for my telephone, and I don't know how to use it. It's like suction cups on each side. Any idea? Please comment below. It's like this. It doesn't say anything on how to use it. But it's clearly suction cups, and it's supposed to be used with your phone. So, any ideas? Comment below. So I guess that was all from the Dior unboxing. As I told you, I will have a video up pretty soon with the full face of Dior makeup. So, excited to see you then. Bye for now.